Look, excuses don't burn calories. Discipline does. If you want results, you have to earn them. Are you ready to work?
If you want to grow your chest, then do this exercise.
Set 1.
Keep your core tight and your back straight. Lower slowly, then explode upwards. Feel the engagement in the chest.
Set 2.
Maintain tension in the chest. Lower slowly, drive up. That's 1. Down slowly, drive up. That's 2. Keep this pace. Keep your core tight and your elbows tucked in close. Focus on squeezing that inner chest at the top of the movement. Squeeze that chest. Maximum effort. Come on.
Best way of push-up.
Hands slightly wider than shoulders. Body straight from head to heels. Lower chest, not stomach. Elbows at about 45 degrees. Squeeze chest and core on the way up. Sagging hips puts pressure on the lower back. Elbows flared out stresses the shoulders. Half reps reduce chest growth. Rushing reps kills results. Don't just wish for it, work for it. You have the power to change your story starting right now. Keep pushing.